A preposition of place, in, on, or at, begins a prepositional phrase that describes a location, under the sofa. The prepositional phrase shows where a noun or action from another part of the sentence is located in relation to the object of the preposition. The sock was under the sofa. The location can be physical, in Paris, or on the table, or abstract, on the radio. Prepositional phrases of place examples. Maria left her wallet at home, so she couldn't buy food at the store. I read about the eclipse in the New York Times and on the internet. How to use a preposition of place. Use a preposition of place at the beginning of a prepositional phrase that includes a noun or object pronoun, him, that represents a location. That noun or pronoun is the object of the preposition. Sometimes the prepositional phrase only needs a noun or object pronoun. Other times, a prepositional phrase includes a noun phrase with determiners and/or modifiers. How to use a preposition of place examples. A famous actor sat behind us on the plane. I left my keys in the blue ceramic dish on the white credenza.